In plumbing, electrical work, and solar installations, there is simply no room for compromise when it comes to precision, toughness, and getting the job done efficiently. Nobody understands that reality quite like KNIPEX. Their catalog covers everything from high-output cutters and adaptable crimpers to specialized wire strippers, with every tool carefully crafted to tackle tough jobs while cutting down on time and physical effort. Whether you work in the trades full-time or spend your weekends on home projects, these well-thought-out tools have the real ability to change how you approach your work. Today, we are taking you through 20 impressive KNIPEX tools built with one goal in mind, helping you work with more intelligence and less strain. Let's get started. These 6 1/4-inch bolt cutters punch well above their weight, offering serious cutting power in a compact, easy-to-carry form. A high-performance compound hinge reduces the hand force required by up to 60% versus conventional cutters. Induction-hardened edges slice cleanly through hardened steel rods, bolts, and chain links. Multi-component ergonomic handles ensure comfortable operation during repeated cutting, while the compact format allows confident use in narrow or cramped working areas. For construction, electrical, and maintenance professionals who need portable cutting performance without compromise, these cutters are a smart choice. Don't let its 100mm length fool you. The Pliers Wrench XS is a powerhouse in miniature form. Its slim head accesses spaces that standard wrenches simply cannot reach, and one-handed push-button adjustment makes it fast and easy to adapt to different workpiece sizes. Parallel jaws grip continuously up to 21mm across flats, and smooth jaw surfaces protect polished or sensitive finishes like chrome fittings. It's equally at home in precision mechanics, plumbing, or bicycle and motorcycle maintenance. A durable sliding joint provides structural reliability, an integrated pinch guard keeps fingers safe, and 10 adjustment settings give it surprising flexibility for such a small tool. This professional-grade tool case functions as a complete mobile workshop for electricians. Loaded with 14 KNIPEX tools and 63 premium brand tools in total, many VDE tested, it's a fully equipped solution for serious work. The case stands securely in all open positions, features snap-in lid holders on both sides, and can be opened from one or both sides for flexible independent access. The impact-resistant ABS housing with a reinforced aluminum frame is built to last. Inside, a center panel with elastic loops, small storage pockets, and removable tool panels offer 95 insertion options. A 3-digit combination lock secures your investment, while a 25-kilogram load capacity and 38-liter volume handle everything you need on site. Engineered for clean, controlled cutting of steel cables and wire ropes up to 6mm in diameter, these 6 1/4-inch shears are a precision-focused tool. Drop-forged, induction-hardened blades stay sharp through repeated heavy use, and the ergonomically contoured handles deliver a secure, fatigue-reducing grip. A safety latch holds the shears shut during storage and transport. Whether you're working in rigging, sailing, or construction, these shears produce clean cuts that leave cable strands intact and undamaged. The compact profile makes them easy to maneuver in restricted or awkward workspaces. These 10-inch water pump pliers are built for gripping, turning, and clamping across a wide range of applications. The narrow, elongated jaw profile slips easily into tight spots, and a fine push-button adjustment system offers 18 positions that can be set directly on the workpiece. Self-locking jaws hold pipes and nuts firmly, minimizing hand fatigue during extended or repetitive tasks. Serrated jaws handle round components effectively, while a tip groove secures nails, pins, and similar small items. A box joint body forged from premium chrome vanadium steel guarantees lasting durability, and an integrated pinch guard keeps your fingers safe throughout the job. The smallest member of the Cobra family proves that great things come in small packages. At just 100mm long, this plier features a slim head profile that reaches into tight spaces with ease. One-handed push-button adjustment adapts it quickly to the task at hand, gripping round pipes up to 28mm and nuts up to 24mm across flats. Box joint construction ensures durability, while hardened teeth rated at approximately 61 HRC deliver a strong, long-lasting grip. Self-locking jaws prevent slipping and reduce the gripping force required, and a built-in pinch guard keeps fingers protected. With 11 adjustment options available, this compact plier consistently outperforms its modest size. Designed for clean, fast, and accurate metal pipe cutting, this compact 3-inch pipe cutter thrives in confined spaces where bulkier tools simply won't fit. A hardened steel cutting wheel produces smooth, burr-free results, and the adjustable screw mechanism allows precise diameter control up to 3 inches. Its lightweight, ergonomic construction keeps operator fatigue low during repetitive cutting sessions. Whether you're tackling plumbing, HVAC, or mechanical installations, the Tubix S delivers professional-grade precision in a highly portable package that tradespeople will appreciate on complex or space-restricted jobs. Purpose-built for cutting larger cable sheaths, this ratcheting knife handles rigid plastic sheathing up to 1/4 inch thick with minimal physical effort. The sickle-style hook blade features 3 distinct cutting zones, supporting both circular and lengthwise cuts. A built-in guide shoe protects conductor insulation, while a 3-line depth scale shows cutting depth in millimeters. The replaceable blade folds flat for safe carry and offers 4 working positions: folded, straight, angled, and ratcheting. A thumb support improves cutting control, and a 3-stage locking system keeps the blade safely secured. The glass fiber reinforced body and multi-component handle deliver a firm, reliable grip throughout every cut. Building on the proven Big Twin platform, the Move Electro adds effortless portability to the equation. A telescoping handle and 2 smooth skater-style wheels make transporting gear across job sites or even through airports a much simpler experience. Loaded with 14 KNIPEX tools and 63 high-quality brand tools, many VDE certified, it brings the same comprehensive toolkit as the standard Big Twin. The case stands freely, opens from either side, and supports loads up to 30 kilograms with a 38-liter capacity. Removable tool boards made from dirt-resistant twin wall material, a firmly mounted center wall, and a 70mm subdivided base tray provide excellent organization. With 95 insertion options, it's the mobile workshop modern electricians deserve. The TwinForce has quickly become a favorite among professionals seeking strength, control, and flexibility in a single pair of pliers. These 200mm slip joint pliers generate extremely high gripping force at the front jaws, making them ideal for stubborn, worn, or damaged screws, bolts, and fasteners that defeat conventional tools. The TwinForce range also includes 150mm and 250mm versions, so users can match the tool size to each specific task. Front and side gripping zones, a rapid adjustment system, and exceptional bite force combine to make these pliers dependable from the most delicate precision work all the way through to heavy-duty, demanding applications. The Multicrimp is purpose-built for photovoltaic professionals who need one tool to handle multiple critical connections. This high-performance crimper combines 3 essential functions, streamlining workflow across PV installations. It comes with 3 interchangeable dies for MC4 and MC4 Evo 2 connectors, uninsulated cable connectors, and wire ferrules. Die swaps are fast and completely tool-free, and a round magazine safely stores up to 5 dies. This makes it possible to handle PV cables, earthing conductors, and meter cabinet connections without ever switching tools. It crimps MC4 connectors in 4 and 6mm squared, secures earthing cables from 0.5 to 10mm squared, and processes ferrules from 0.25 to 6mm squared. A precision die system and unlockable ratchet ensure reliable, consistent crimps every single time. Engineered for maximum flexibility in challenging work environments, the Twister 16 crimps wire ferrules even in the most confined spaces. Its crimp head rotates a full 360 degrees and locks into 8 distinct positions, providing access from virtually any angle. It forms square crimps on wire ferrules from 0.14 to 16mm squared, and automatically adjusts to different conductor sizes. Crimping openings are accessible from both sides, making wrong ferrules straightforward to process. Twin ferrules up to 2 × 6 mm squared are also supported. A built-in ratchet ensures consistent, quality crimps every time, while the toggle lever system minimizes the hand force needed, keeping operations smooth and low effort throughout the workday. Compact yet highly capable, the StepCut cable cutter measures just 160 mm overall, but delivers impressive efficiency. Its stepped cutting edges sever wire strands progressively, cutting required effort by up to 40% compared to similarly sized conventional cutters. Ergonomic handles make it comfortable to use even when working through thicker cables. It handles multi-core stranded copper or aluminum cables up to 15 mm in diameter or 50 mm squared, as well as solid cables up to 5 × 4 mm. A precision bolted joint ensures long-term structural reliability, and induction-hardened cutting edges stay sharp through extended, demanding use. Safety and completeness define this specialized tool case for high-voltage electric vehicle work. Containing 29 fully insulated VDE-tested tools, including pliers, open-ended wrenches, a 3/8" reversible ratchet set, and insulating protective gloves, it equips technicians with everything needed for safe, effective high-voltage system maintenance. The custom foam insert uses clearly color-coded cutouts, making it immediately obvious if any tool is missing. Lightweight yet robust, this case suits workshops, service facilities, and businesses managing EV fleets equally well. It represents a thoughtful, safety-first approach to a growing and demanding sector of the automotive industry. The ComStrip offers an approachable, reliable entry point into automatic wire stripping. Without any manual adjustment, it handles solid, multi-stranded, and finely stranded wires from 0.2 to 6 mm squared. A fine adjustment feature accommodates special insulation materials or temperature-related variations in cutting depth. The integrated cable cutter handles solid wires up to 2.5 mm and finely stranded wires up to 6 mm. An adjustable length stop ranging from 6 to 18 mm ensures consistent, repeatable stripping lengths for production or repetitive work. The compact head fits into tight areas, while the ergonomic 2-component soft grip handle maximizes force transfer and reduces fatigue. A glass fiberglass reinforced plastic body keeps weight low without compromising durability, and replaceable blades extend service life significantly. The Cobra ES is engineered to shine where reach and grip matter most, in tight, restricted spaces where standard pliers struggle. Its longer, narrower jaw profile compared to standard Cobra models grants exceptional access during maintenance, servicing, and repair work. Front serrations handle round fasteners like screws and bolts, a groove near the tip captures nails and pins, and flat materials are gripped using a stable 3-point contact system. Push-button fine adjustment on the workpiece offers 18 settings, and self-locking jaws maintain a firm hold on pipes and nuts, easing hand strain. A built-in pinch guard protects fingers, and the box joint body forged from chrome vanadium electric steel ensures performance that holds up over years of professional use.
The DPT-50 simplifies plastic pipe preparation for plumbing work by combining cutting and chamfering into a single, smooth operation. It handles pipe diameters of 32, 40, and 50 mm without additional adjustment or separate deburring, reducing the risk of leaks and brittle fractures. Self-adjusting rollers with plain bearings guide pipes precisely and make cutting virtually effortless. It works on polypropylene, PVC, and similar materials with wall thicknesses from 2.5 to 3.5 mm. The blade body uses high-quality ball-bearing steel and can be reversed without tools when worn, with a spare blade conveniently stored inside the unit. A spring-loaded cutting blade needs no manual setup, and a built-in chamfer ensures even adhesive distribution for strong, reliable pipe joints.
Specifically designed for photovoltaic cable preparation, the ErgoStrip PV brings speed and precision to solar installations. It strips PV cables in 4 and 6 mm squared, including H1, Z2, Z2 K-types, as well as standard round and damp-proof installation cables. The pistol grip ergonomic design supports comfortable cutting, stripping, and longitudinal sheath cuts throughout the workday. An adjustable length stop for PV cables spanning 6 to 18 mm ensures accurate wire preparation for standard solar connectors. Slim, conical tips improve access in confined spaces, and locating ridges guide wires into the correct stripping position. An opening spring and locking mechanism boost comfort further, while the multi-component soft zone handle keeps grip secure and stable from start to finish. Those were the 20 KNIPEX tools engineered to make plumbing and electrical jobs quicker, smoother, and far more reliable. We want to know which one caught your attention the most, so go ahead and share your take in the comments section below. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe so you never find yourself missing out on content like this.